how to fix call ended problem on Android. So if you want to fix call ended problem on your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your control center, and here you need to go and turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds. So go and turn it on, and after that again turn that off after a few seconds, and it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go with your settings. Under settings you need to scroll down, and here you will have apps section. Tap on apps. Under apps you can go with see all apps. Now go with the upper right which has that three dots, and then go with show system apps, and here you need to go with search. Under search you need to search for call option. You will have call settings or call management, something like that, so you need to tap on it. After that you need to go with storage and cache, and here you need to go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, now you can go back and you need to again open up your settings. Under settings you need to scroll down and go with network and internet, and here you need to go with SIM card and mobile network, and here you will have an option of your SIM card. You need to just simply tap on the SIM card, and under SIM card settings you will have your preferred network type. So you need to select your preferred network type as 2G, and then again go with your 3G or your 4G. Just switch those options and again switch back to the previous option, and after doing that, that might fix your problem. And the next thing is you need to open up your settings. Under settings you can go with search again, and under search here you need to search for SIM Toolkit. After having SIM Toolkit you need to tap on that option, go with storage and cache. Here also you need to go with clear cache and clear storage. After that, restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.